So the benefit to Fullerton's R&D lab is our customers are busy, right? Day to day. They're understaffed, they're overworked. They just don't have time for development, right? The service we offer here is that we're gonna bring in their projects, we're gonna do some light programming, we're gonna show them how to run the parts. That service is offered free of charge, and the only thing we do is we ask kind of for the tooling business on the backside. So it's a win-win situation. So here today at Fullerton, our Makino has no production responsibilities whatsoever. We use it to solve customer problems, develop cutter geometry, and coding validation.
So we're using different technologies here at Fullerton, like our Schunk iTENDO unit for vibrational studies, and then our spike unit for force analysis on cutters and different cutting geometries and different materials.
We maintain over 150 different tool holders to try to replicate the customer's process as close as we can in their facility. We also have an NSK 50,000 RPM spindle speeder, direct drive for development of the smaller micro tooling.